Hey everyone, today we'll be talking about Ruby Mining App. Is it legit or scam? So, is the Ruby Network Mining App the next crypto opportunity or just another scam? Let's break it down and find out if it's worthy your time or a waste of your phone's battery. So, let me just give you a short description of Ruby. Ruby Network claims to be a mobile based crypto mining app similar to Pi Network or Eagle Network. You mine tokens by checking in daily, referring friends, and staying active in the app, all without draining your battery or using real device power. But here's the real question: is there actual blockchain backing this? So, let me give you some red flags to watch. There is no transparent white paper. Most legit crypto projects have a public white paper explaining tech, use case, tokenomics, Ruby network, very little verified info. And there's no token listed on major exchanges. If you can't trade or withdraw the token anywhere, it has no real world value yet, and it's referral focused growth. If the app mainly pushes you to refer more users for higher mining speed, that's a classic pyramid structure, not real mining. And let me tell you, is it a scam? It doesn't currently ask for money, which means it's not a financial scam yet, but it's also not delivering value, has no value roadmap, and no functional token utility. These signs point to a high risk speculative project, not something with proven legitimacy. And Ruby Network is not confirmed as a scam, but it's also not a legitimate crypto investment yet. Treat it like a game, not a business. If you're looking for real crypto value, focus on projects with working products, open source code, and real exchange listings. You can also see the reviews here on the Google Play, where people downloaded the Ruby app on their phone, and some of them gave this app a good rating. Like, Ruby is one of the best mining apps I've come across. It can also be some paid reviews and stuff, but not sure if it's real or not. Say someone just gave a bad review, like 1 star, and it says it's great if you install it and have no issue. However, there is no place to change the language. It will block you from using a function, then give you a pop-up in Vietnamese that you can't understand, so you can't fix anything. And we can also see some other reviews like good project with great simplicity and security, data connection is user friendly, except there is no means of recovery, lost passphrase. And other person said it was working well before, but now unstable to mine for many days, showing zero balance. My KYC is still in progress and no one to contact over this. It's frustrating. And he also has uninstalled the and reinstalled, but nothing changes. He is seeking for help from them and there is no reply, of course. And last of all, I can say that it's up to you whether you to mine on this app and waste your time or not, cause there is no legitimate review or anything like they're giving you money or something. So have you tried Ruby Network? Drop your experience in the comments, hit like if you found this helpful, and subscribe for weekly reviews on crypto apps, tools, and earning platforms. See you on the next video.